In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent files from automatically saving to OneDrive in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Many users find that OneDrive can be quite useful for backing up their files and ensuring that important documents are accessible from anywhere. However, there are times when you might want to keep files stored locally on your computer rather than automatically in the cloud. Perhaps you're working with sensitive data or simply prefer to manage where your files are stored. Let's walk through the process of adjusting these settings step by step. To start, you're going to want to open the OneDrive application on your computer. You can usually find this in your system tray, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for an icon that resembles a white or blue cloud. That's your OneDrive. Once you've clicked on it, a panel will appear. In that panel, select Help Settings, which will bring you to a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll need to choose Settings. This is where we can start making the changes you want. After the Settings window pops up, navigate to the Backup tab. This section controls where files are saved and backed up. You'll notice an option labeled Manage Backup. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will open, displaying a list of folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures, which are typically backed up to OneDrive by default. We're going to modify that. In this new window, you should see a button that says Stop Backup next to each folder. By selecting this option, you effectively stop that particular folder's future contents from being automatically uploaded to OneDrive. This doesn't remove any existing files, it merely changes what happens moving forward. If there are specific folders you want to keep off OneDrive, this is how you adjust it. Once you've clicked Stop Backup for the folders you're interested in, confirm your changes. You might be asked to choose whether you want the existing files to remain in OneDrive or if you'd like to download them to your computer. Choose the option that suits your preference. Remember to click OK or Apply to ensure that your changes are saved. Now that you've adjusted these settings, files will remain stored locally on your hard drive. But keep in mind that without cloud backup, you won't have online access or automatic protection from local hardware failure. You might want to consider an alternative backup solution if those features are important to you. And there you have it. You have successfully prevented your files from automatically saving to OneDrive, giving you greater control over your data management. If you decide to revert back, simply follow these steps in reverse. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide was helpful in managing your storage preferences.